Hey guys, so I just saw this email, or it was an email and also a Brightspace update. It's basically saying that we have to go completely online. At first I was thinking, we'll meet once a week, split the class in half, and it'll be a little safer that way. But I guess, just to err on the side of caution, we're going to go all online, which is going to be a big transition for us with this class. But really, there's not much else we can do about it, so we really just have to try hard to make this transition. One thing that might help you, and I did try to show you guys this earlier, but if you go up here, I'm going to say view as a student because I'm a professor, so it looks a little different for me. But if you go up in here to your name, you can go to notifications, and then you can put your phone number in here, your email, which I think I already made an video about this. But anyways, I suggest turning on at least the SMS, possibly even the email notifications, and then just do a save on that so that you're getting all of the Brightspace information to your phone and to your personal email. And I would be going into Brightspace every day, several times a day, starting in the morning, because now you're going to be an online student. So you really have to be good about checking Brightspace. So we will be transitioning all online. Basically, I think things are basically going to work the same as they did before. If we go into our class here, you can see I'm going to make a new announcement, but this content area is basically where everything's going to be. And I've already started on week 11, so I'm making videos of all the lectures. So things will basically go on as normal. You're just going to be working from home. So you can watch the lecture, you can read the book, and then take the quiz. And then I might have an extra writing assignment for you or something once a week, just to kind of fill out the class a little bit more, since we're not meeting and doing the demos like we were supposed to do. Because this next week we're going to be doing chapter 11, graphic design, or design principles, I guess is what the chapter is called. And then the next week we were supposed to do sculpture, which we will be doing, but we're not going to be meeting with Chuck Terry at the welding studio anymore, because obviously we can't do that. But so things are going to be changing a little bit different, but I've actually done a pretty good job of keeping you guys in Brightspace anyway. So hopefully you guys can make that transition into just checking in every day and looking in the content area. I don't have week 11 completely filled out, but I mean, every week I always say, read this. I put the quiz down here. You guys all know how to do it. You guys have already been taking the quizzes in Brightspace, so hopefully this transition will go really smoothly. And I just wanted to say, if you're in Havre or in Montana in general, obviously this is one of the best places that you can be in the world, pretty much, in some ways, just because we're so isolated here. And it's probably one of the better places, as far as staying healthy. So that's a positive. And we want to keep it that way, obviously. So I do think, I know a lot of people are going around saying that this is maybe an overreaction, and they might be right. But at the same time, we do need to do our part to try and take these messages from the CDC pretty seriously and follow directions, wash your hands, social distance, at least for the next couple weeks, just to err on the side of caution, and just to do, just to make sure that we're not affecting those people with poor immune systems or those people that are elderly. Because, especially in Havre, we have a pretty big population of aging people in town, and we need to take that into consideration. We may not be worried for ourselves if we get the virus. Most of us will be fine, especially, we're younger, we're strong. But, we need to be thinking about those less fortunate people that actually might be seriously affected by the virus, and it's our responsibility to really step up to the plate and make sure that we're, doing the social distancing, making sure that we understand what's going on, and, making sure that we're protecting our community by paying attention and taking this seriously. I don't think we need to freak out, but I do think we need to, at least for the next couple of weeks, see how things are going to go, because none of us really know exactly what's going to happen. So like I said, just err on the side of caution, take it seriously, but don't freak out. And so we're just going to do what we can. We're going to keep moving forward, and, maybe use this time to spend more time with your family, and hopefully everything works out for the best here. I really enjoyed getting to know all of you, and hopefully we can continue to learn at the same rate, I think we should be fine as long as you guys are willing to do your part and check in on Brightspace. All right, well, hopefully see you at some point in the near future.